Most of you know that I have an alert service where I share host of trades that I make for educational purposes, but these are live trades that I'm making, and I share a brief video about the trade prior to opening it. So I share a video that shows why I'm opening it, how I'm opening it, I share my order, and then that order sets out there until it gets filled or doesn't get filled, as the case may be. And then I could be in that trade anywhere from 7 days to maybe as long as 90 days. But I've got a new trade specifically that I've been working on, a new concept trade. Seems to be panning out pretty well right now. I'm calling it a diafly. It's a combination of a diagonal and a butterfly. I've tried trading it in a variety of different symbols, and it's working out well. So far, I've had 7 winners, and it's up $100 something in that range in about the last, I think I started trading these about 20 days ago, somewhere in that general range. We can see a equity curve on these trades here. So this is what the P&L diagram looks like. This is the bar chart that shows the individual P&Ls of those trades. So I'm going to launch another one of these probably tomorrow, Thursday the 29th or Friday the 30th. If you'd like to be part of the service, I keep it relatively inexpensive at $79 a month. I'll put a link on the screen right now so that you can come join if you want. And you can see how I open those, how I manage them if they need management, or when I close them out and what the game plan is on them. In addition to that, I'm also going to be opening a new trade probably next Monday. It's going to be a wheel trade. I'll put a link to a video on the wheel here at the end of this video. But the wheel trade is where I go in and I do an analysis on an entire host of different stock. I look at the fundamentals of them. I make a decision which one of those I'd be interested in owning long term. And then I go out and I sell a put at a certain level and just keep rolling that put until that stock finally gets put to me. Then once it gets put to me, I sell calls against it, boosting my premium and lowering my cost basis in that stock every step of the way. So if you'd like to know more about that as well, again, the $79 a month price is going to get you both of those. In general, I have anywhere from 3 to 5 trades open at a time. And you also have an open line of communication to me in that service where you can ping me, ask questions, etc. So I look forward to hopefully seeing you some of them there. Take care.